Happy Election Day, everyone. I'm Brian Tuck from Tuck Law Offices in Kennett Square, Pennsylvania, and I wanted to speak to you briefly about a question that appears on the Pennsylvania ballot, which potentially could amend the Pennsylvania Constitution. You want to find out what it is? Stick around. In this year's election, this is an off-year cycle, so we don't have a presidential race or a governor's race or anything like that. We do have a lot of township supervisors, district attorney, recorder of deeds, prothonotary, those local offices, which really do actually have a big impact on your daily life. Remember, we get the government that we deserve, so unless you put some time and energy into learning about the issues and going out to vote, you don't have a whole lot to say in the outcome. So get out there. The polls are still open and they'll be open into the evening. If you haven't voted yet today, make sure you get out there and do so. Most importantly, this year on the ballot, there is a question which proposes to amend the Pennsylvania Constitution. The question on the ballot, which would potentially amend the Pennsylvania Constitution, is also known as Marsy's Law, which is a nationwide attempt to reform the rights of victims of crime and their families. Now, with what is it being attempted in Pennsylvania, I am urging my clients and my friends to vote no on the ballot question for a couple of reasons. First, the way in which the question is attempting to amend the Pennsylvania Constitution is likely unconstitutional because in Pennsylvania you can only amend the state constitution one issue at a time. The question you're going to see on your ballot has 6 or 7 moving parts to it. Secondly, the effect of this Marsy's Law may very well upend the presumption of innocence that exists in our criminal justice system. That is something that we cannot erode for any reason. There already is a Crime Victims Act on the books in Pennsylvania. The proper way to deal with this would be to amend that piece of legislation. That way all of the General Assembly members could weigh in on it. They could talk to their constituents. And that would be my preferred method of trying to effect some reform in this area. If you don't know where your polling location is, check the link that's embedded with this post. You can click on that, enter your address, and you will find out where you need to go. I hope you have a great day. Please get out and vote, and I will talk to you soon. Be good.